friends, Annie back, and I'm here with my new Bibbidi Bobbidi box. Yay! And I forgot the name of the wand, but anyways, this is the one I got in Universal Studios Hollywood back 5-6 years ago. So I'm keeping this one handy because I'm going to Universal Studios in Orlando pretty soon in September, 2 months from now, kind of 2 months now. I'm very excited. I have a lot of things that I'm buying and preparing for this trip. So I'm gonna be keeping my wand ready. All right, so I got my box. Like I said, I was just gonna do one because I was getting the high price box, but I forgot to cancel the subscription, so I got another box. So here we go. From the other items that I got, oh, you know what? In the candle, I burned out half the candle, and I'll show you what the pin was that I got. It's actually this pin. It is Sadness from Inside Out.
And at first, I was a little disappointed that I got something from Disney rather than Harry Potter, but I remember on the quiz that I took, it said something, if you ever want to receive something from Disney, what would you like to get, like what characters and all that. So I do like the movie Inside Out. It is one of my favorites, just because of everything that they talk about with your emotions and how sometimes it can be too much for you, and it's okay to say how you feel and to talk to people and get help and all that. So I thought that was really neat to get that pin. I don't think of it as, oh my god, it's so sad, it's sadness, like no, we do need a little sadness in our lives every now and then to appreciate the happiness. So I was really happy to get that. So let's get into our new box and take this off because they have so much glare. I don't like it. So I haven't opened it. This one, the box is not as big as it was the first one, so it's okay. So let me see. Ooh. So here we go. And again, you get a little card. This one says, working hard is important, but there is something that matters even more, believing in yourself. And I do think that this is the same card that I got last time, but it's okay. And it says your box was curated with love by Reagan. All right, thank you, Reagan, for packing my box. So we got our list of things that we got in the mail, our packing slip. So we only got 3 items this time. So let's see. And I love the packaging that they do on these boxes. I think it's pretty neat.
So I got another backpack. I have to say, I've been the other backpack that I got, I've been wearing it everywhere, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. So I was really happy about that. And like I said, we're going on the trip, so I will be for sure taking that with me to the trip. And so this is another backpack. Oh, this one, I think this one is bigger. Or maybe this one? And it is Harry Potter licensed merchandise. Oh, I like it. Lately, I am into a lot of gray. As you can see, I'm wearing gray. And this is, look. It's got all the for the charms and incantations on how to do with how to move your hand with the wand. So there are some spells that I don't know. So it would be good practice for when I'm at the park and trying to cast some spells. Oh, I like it. I like the finishing of it. It is. It's got some leather parts and also the little buckle. And you can also carry it like this in the backpack. And let's see, let's open it. I like it. Ooh. So it looks like it's pretty spacious. And it has a side. You can open it. I'm sorry. You can open it this way, or it also has a side zipper that you can access to it. I like this because sometimes you have to take your backpack off all the way, put it in front of you to open it, but I like this, that this has a side zipper, so that's gonna come real handy. It looks pretty good. It also has a front pocket here. You can keep your wallet or stuff that you need to get for easy access. And it has a little, like a pocket to put your computer or a book. So I like it. I like it. I like the design. I think I had seen it somewhere, maybe on Amazon, but I like it. I like the color. I like the style. I'm gonna have to take this one with me too. All right. So that's that. And then the other item that we got is a keychain. I'm very minimalist, or I don't like big things, either as far as earrings or accessories. So keychains, I only have one keychain. I only carry my keys, my car key, and one little keychain that I got in Las Vegas. And so I got this one now. And it has the crest, this is the Howard's crest, and it does seem a little bulky for my taste, for my style, but I like it. It looks almost like a wax seal of the crest of
the Howard's. So I like it. I mean, I don't know whether I'll put it with my keys, but I like it. And it says Harry Potter on the back. So I might put it on my luggage when we go to Orlando. But yeah, I don't think I would put this on my keys. For me, it's too big. So, but it's pretty cool. And then the other thing that I got, this one came off, is a pair of earrings. One of them fell off.
And it has, it's what do you call it? I spaced out. Like a keyhole. I don't know if you can see it. It's like where you put the key in, and it says Aloha Mora on the little circles. This one's. All right. So they do seem a little big again for my taste.
But they're pretty cool. I will have to take them on my trip. So those are the 3 items. I am not as excited. My favorite thing obviously is gonna be the backpack because it's pretty cool. I like the design and everything on it. But these 2 items, I don't know that I would have gotten them on my own. So I don't know. This one was a bust for me. Not a complete bust. I do like the backpack, but I feel like the first box I got more items, and even though they were not big items, they were better for me. But I'll see. I will think about getting another one, but I don't know. I'm not sure. So I will think about it in the next week or so, and then if I do decide to get it, give it another chance, I will do it. And so just to review, the backpack is, the price is $70. So I do think it's a little bit on the high price. I think the other one wasn't 70, but it's still good. The Aloha Mora earrings were $16, and the keychain is $10. So I think I would have liked to get some other items. Wasn't too excited about this too, so I guess it is what it is. What else? I guess I will. Oh, think about it. I do want to get another box, but if it's gonna be like this one, I'm not sure. And I mean, it's the thing with all this subscription boxes where you get one good box and then you get another one that's not so good. And so this is where I'm like, is it worth it? Because I mean, it is $96 that I paid for this. I'm thinking, what if I get the other one that is $65, I believe. I could try that one again, or that one for the first time and see what comes in. I know with the higher price, because you get bigger items, higher price items, that's why the price is up. But I will think about it, and I will let you guys know. But
I am happy that I got the backpack. I think I'm gonna use it. I've been using the other one, and like I said, I've gotten compliments, so we'll keep working on that. And let me see, my Harry Potter collection is growing recently, and it's not a Harry Potter item necessarily, but my husband did get me this ring, and I'll show it to you guys. It almost looks like an owl, so I thought of Hedwig, and that's another reason why he got it for me, because he thought it looked like the owl. So I was really happy that he got me this. And I do want to do a video where I show you guys what I've gotten related to Harry Potter. As you can see here, these are some paintings or drawings that I got at it's a local
painting art gallery, that's the word I'm looking for.
Art gallery that had a lot of Disney and characters, posters from movies, and of course they also had Harry Potter paintings or images. So this one right here is the Hogwarts castle. This one right here is the platform 9 3/4. I have this one, I don't know if you can see it. These are the Dementors flying over Hogwarts. I think it's from a scene from The Prisoner of Azkaban. And then of course the Deathly Hallows. I think this one is my favorite, just because of the tale and everything, the story behind it and all that. So I will show you guys more details on that later on another video. I am waiting for the stores to open so that I can put those in frames and actually be able to display them correctly. Right now they're just up with some tacky tape, so I'll work on that. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you subscribe to the box, because if you saw something here, or if you saw from another YouTuber.
Like I said, I know the Potter Collector, he's always doing reviews, and I mean, he's been in the game for a really long time now, I think, and so he gets boxes now for free from them. But I know he buys some of the ones he reviews, he buys with his own money, so check him out, and let me know if you were as
not disappointed. I don't want to say disappointed, but I got less items. 2 of them were not so great, but I will look on the positive note, and I got another backpack, and I'm happy about that. So I will think about getting another Bibbidi Bobbidi box. Like I said, I might get one that is the lower price. I might even try a Disney one and see what we get. I do like Disney, but I'm not like a huge fan. Like I said, we are going to Universal Orlando in September. We've thought about going to Disney, but that was before all this happened. So now we're just, I don't know if it's gonna be even a possibility to do, because I know with the limited admission, and I know they had a opening date, and then it was pushed back, I think, a week or 2. So I don't know how that's gonna work, if that's gonna be even a possibility to go to Disney. But we're definitely thinking about it. We're seeing how things go. Even with Universal, we wanted to do one night of Hollywood Horror Nights, and again, that's we don't know if it's going to be a possibility, just because of how everything is going, and I know they're going on a day by day kind of thing, and feeling things how they go. So we'll see. We'll see if we do end up going to Halloween Horror Nights. I will try to film as much as I can when I get there, and I will show you guys. But if anyone has been to Universal Orlando, and since they've opened till this date, let me know how that was. How were the lines? How were the rides? I know a lot of people have been complaining that they haven't been able to get on all the rides. I know some.
So my video cut off, but I was saying, if anyone has been to Universal, I do have a Facebook group that I follow for everyone that's been to Universal or is going to Universal. But I want to hear from you guys and tell me what's going on. We still have our trip planned and paid for, so hopefully nothing changes. I know the number of cases is rising, but I'm keeping a close eye on that. If it gets to the point where it's not safe to go, I'll obviously have to reschedule or cancel or whatever. But if you've been, let me know how you felt around the park, how you felt riding on the rides, and just everything. I want to know everything, please. So let me know. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, I know it's taking me a little while to upload things, but I've just been so busy that I haven't had the time. But I have things coming up, so hopefully you'll stick around with me. So thumbs up if you like, subscribe if you want to see more, and I do have a Facebook page that I'll post a link somewhere, and I'm also on TikTok. If you want to laugh at someone, please go follow me, give it a like on my videos, and I'll see you around. Bye.